Hello students. Now our topic is Roman numeral. This is on standard 4 maths. Which students in standard 4, please you look at the board very carefully. This is only standard 4, 5 like this. Now I discuss Roman numeral. All of you know the Hindu Arabic number is 1, 5, 10 like this. And now discuss the Roman numeral. You write Roman numeral in this process. 1 is can be written as I, 5 is can be written as V, 10 is can be written as X. All of you know, you read also in the smaller class. 50 is written as L, 100 is written as C, D is written as 500, M is written as 1000, and now this is very important. V bar, this is 5000. X bar, this is 10,000. L bar, this is 50,000. C bar, this is 100,000. And now D bar, this is 500,000. And now this is 1 million. This is M bar, is 1 million. Very carefully, you just read very carefully and write in your copy and learn it. This is very important Roman numeral. Now, this is your task. All of you write Roman numeral from 1 to 100. This is your task. All of you write Roman numeral from 1 to 100. Just to say something. Now, the Roman numeral 1 and 10 and C, these three terms can be repeated up to 3 times. Okay, but now V, L, D cannot be repeated. All of you listen very carefully. These 3 terms can repeat, but these 3 terms cannot repeat. This is your task. From 1 to 100, you write all the Roman numerals. I just help you when you write Roman numerals, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1, 2, 3 is like this, and 4 is like this. You write before V, that means subtract. 1 subtract. 4 is written as 5 minus 1. 4 is written as 5 minus 1. And 5 is like this. The standard is here. And 6. 6 is this one. That means 5 plus 1. Then 7. 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. And 8 is like this. 8 is like this. And this is also 5 plus 1 plus and 1. And 9 is 1x. That means 10 minus 1. And 10 is standard. Okay. Now 3 times repeat. Then you write, just subtract it from 10. You write 9 also. Now just like this, you write up to 1 to 100 in your copy. Now I just say like this, then 99. How is it possible to write? I just write few typical terms, that is 49. I write this one, 39 and 89 and 99. This is I write, and you just look at the board. 79, 69, 59. This is very difficult. That's why I write here. 49. What is 40? First you know the 40 is. All of you know. The 30 is first the 30, 20. Okay, 10 is like this. 20 is double x. 30 is triple x. I write 40, repeat 4 times. No, it cannot be repeat 4 times. It just repeat 3 times. That's why 40 is just you subtract 50. 50 is where? 50 means L. Just you subtract 10 from 50. XL. This is 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay? Just clear? And now the 49. So what is 50? 50 is what? 50 is, I already write, is L. L is 50 and 40 is this, like this. 49 is 40 plus 9. 9 is this one. 1x. Okay? This is just you write 40 plus 9. 40 is like this and 9 you add 9. Now 30. 30 is 39. 30 is triple I and 9 is 1x. This is 39. Okay? That means 30 plus 9. Understood? Just you do like this. You write the Roman numerals from the from your copy. And now 89. Now the question be, now the question be 80. 80 is just like this. What is 50? 50 is L and 80, 50 plus 30. X, X and X. I say now, repeat 3 times. That is 80 this is. And 89. 80 plus 9. Then L, X, 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 I, X. This is 89. And 90. 90 you repeat 4 times? No. 50 plus 40, 90? No. You just do 100 minus 10. 90 is, you cannot repeat 4 times. Just you do 100 minus 10. 100 means C and 10 means X. This is 90. XC. And the 99 become XC1X. Then 60. Do you know 60? 60 is 50 plus X. This is 60. 50XL. 69. This is 60 and 9 is here. 70. 50 plus 10 plus 10. 70 and 9. 1x. 59. 50. 50 is L and 9 is 1x. This is. Now, this is the typical sum. That's why I write this Roman numeral. This is your task. You write from 1 to 100 Roman numeral from any book and do the exercise and do before and after number of the Roman numeral. Just you collect from the any book and write in your copy. Please write in your copy. If you have any doubts, any problem, please you tell me in the comment box. If you like my video, please press the like button and share my video, and please comment in the comment section, and please press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all for today. Thank you very much.